Still pretty strong. Oh, hang on. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm calling this one the Wheel of Death. So I've had this disc for a while, and I wanted to make a cooking surface out of it. And I'm to the point now where this will fit in there good, and then this will fit in there good. So I've got to weld this and I'm going to spin it with this motor, which y'all are probably saying that's not a good idea, and you're probably correct. Now you're going to see why I call this the Wheel of Death. I just wonder how close I was to death. It's still pretty strong. Oh, hang on. Aha. But the thing of it is, I welded the sprocket to the outside, knowing that was the weakest link. So we'll just sit there and do that. So, like I said, if it would have broke loose, I knew the outer washer wasn't going to break loose from this, but the sprocket probably would have broke. I would have had time to get out of the way and shut it off, and it probably would have just started spinning like that. So that's it in a nutshell. We do things a little calculated here, not much sometimes, but in regards to this, yes, we did. All right, now we got this welded up. This is level both ways. What I want to do is mark the contour to my rocket stove. I don't want it that high up. I want it a little closer down. I want to take advantage of the most heat I can. And marking the contour might seem like a hard thing to do, but it's not really. You just take your regular carpenter pencil, glue you a block of wood to it just like that, and make sure that everybody's going to see everything. Okay, there we go. Just glue your piece of wood like that on it. Those pencils are cheap. A little piece of wood's cheap. And what you'll do is take this, and I hope y'all are getting this. Just let that piece of wood rub on the contour. And this one here is off of, see how it's level this way and this way? That means this one's flayed back too much, cut short, which it probably looks short, but we're gonna mark it anyhow. And as we keep going down, that's gonna set on that. So now that we got that, remove this. And there's your contoured mark. We're gonna do the same thing. And I want to mark them on both sides now. And that's going to put me about where I want.